Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July 22nd, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, results from a delayed start analysis of Phase 3 trials of Eli Lilly's solanezumab suggested benefit of early treatment with the therapy in patients with mild Alzheimer's disease. Specifically, the treatment effect of solanezumab was preserved within a pre-specified amount in patients with mild Alzheimer's disease administered the experimental drug earlier in the course of their illness compared to those who started treatment later. Also in the news, XOMA's gevokizumab did not meet the primary endpoint of time to first ocular exacerbation in the Phase 3 IGARD-B trial of patients with Behçet's disease uveitis. However, XOMA's Chief Medical Officer Paul Rubin remarked, "We did see signals of drug activity such as preserved visual acuity, less severe ocular exacerbations, and a reduced incidence of reported macular edema in patients treated with gevokizumab." In addition, a Phase 3 study of AstraZeneca's selumetinib in combination with dacarbazine for the treatment of patients with metastatic uveal melanoma failed to meet its primary endpoint of progression-free survival. Berenberg analyst Alistair Campbell remarked that the study failure was a surprise after very promising Phase 2 data. Also featured, new results from a Phase 1b trial of Biogen's aducanumab in patients with prodromal or mild Alzheimer's disease indicated that the slowing of clinical decline was shown to be dose-dependent. Study data also illustrated that although the 6 mg per kilogram dose of aducanumab showed an improvement in the slowing of clinical decline, the data were not statistically significant. And finally, Axovant Sciences' experimental drug RVT-101 was associated with improvements in cognition and function in patients with mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease in a Phase 2b study. In the trial, the therapy was linked to significant improvements through 48 weeks when used as an adjunctive therapy to Pfizer and Eisai's Aricept compared with Aricept alone. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.